Adjutant online. Good evening, Magistrate. I'll fill you in on what's been happening. Confederate traffic has increased substantially within the system due to the recent Protoss destruction of the Chow Sara colony. The Confederates have tightened security on all outlying systems, and it's likely that this colony will be locked down as well. An encrypted Confederate transmission came for you while you were at dinner. Replaying transmission.
Greetings, Magistrate. I'm General Edmund Duke of the Confederate Security Forces Alpha Squadron. The Confederacy has quarantined this entire planet, and we'll proceed with a lockdown within 48 hours. You're to relocate your core colonists to the outlying wastelands. Now, I know there won't be any problems with these new arrangements.
Transmission ended. I have contacted the local marshal, James Rayner. Rayner has agreed to meet your personnel en route and escort them to the new wasteland site.
Give me something to shoot.
Can't believe we're being sent to the wasteland. These Confederates think they can push anybody around.
Rock and roll. Go, go, go. Let's move. Outstanding. Let's move. Outstanding.
Howdy, boys. I'm Jim Rayner, Marshal of these parts. Anytime you're ready.
Your forces are under attack.
Commander. Outstanding. Give me something to shoot.
Yes, sir? Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain? Reporting for duty.
Give me something to shoot. Jacked up and good to go. Standing by. Let's move. Standing by. Rock and roll.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders received. Reporting for duty. Roger that. SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty. Job's finished.
Infantry units such as Marines can be trained at this facility.
Orders, Captain? Orders received.
You want a piece of me, boy? You want a piece of me, boy? Jacked up and good to go.
Job's finished. Reporting for duty. I read you. Affirmative.
You want a piece of me, boy? Standing by. Go, go, go.
SCV good to go, sir.
Standing by. Let's move. Outstanding. Go, go, go. You want a piece of me, boy? Let's move. Outstanding. Rock and roll. Outstanding. Go, go, go. Outstanding.
Reporting for duty. Affirmative. Roger that.